Children, now here your question is, three coins are tossed once. When three coins are tossed once, so that time on a coin, how many faces we have? Two faces. It means how many elements to be occur are going to be occur. How many elements are possible to get? Those are only two. One is head or second is tail. So similarly, how many coins we have? Three coins. So 2 to the power 3. So how many elements we will get in a sample space? Those are 8. So here those 8 elements here I am writing. Which are they? HHH. Then keep 2H common and 1T. So HTH, then THH. Any possibilities is there? Possibility? No possibility. Now see. Let me take 2 times T. So TTH, THT, HTT and TTT. Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so here I obtained total those all 8 elements. Now see, let A denote the event 3 heads shows. So A is equals to here 3 heads shows. So 3 heads shows. So which are they? H, H, H. Only one element is there. So H, H, H. Next is B denote the event 2 heads and 1 tail. So B denote the event 2 heads and 1 tail shows. So that time 2 head and 1 tail. So this one will come HHT. Here also we have 2 head and 1 tail. Here also we have 2 head and 1 tail. Now after that C denote the event 3 tails shows. So 3 tail shows. So that is only one element, which is T, T and T. And the last event also they have specified that D denote the event a head shows on the first toss. So D denote the event a head shows on the first toss. So that time here we have first head, here also, and here also. So these all elements I have to list out. HHT, here HTH, after that HTT will come. Now here they are asking which events are mutually exclusive. So for that I have to find mutually exclusive means I have to find out those events whose intersection is 5. So first of all, let me check A intersection B. Yes, here observe no element is common. So here we are getting A intersection B equals to 5. So which implies A and B are mutually exclusive. Then let me check B and C. So here also it is intersection is coming 5. So B intersection C, that is also 5. So which implies B and C are also mutually exclusive. Let me check A and C. So here HHH and here TTT. Again you can observe no element is common. So A intersection C is also 5. So I can write A and C are also mutually exclusive. A and D, let me check here. H, H, H. So here we are having one element common. So these are not mutually exclusive. Let me check B and D. So B and D in that also HHT common. So again it is not mutually exclusive. Let me check C and D. So here also C and D, in that we don't have any single element common. Which one? C and D. Yeah. So C intersection D also 5. So these are C and D are mutually exclusive. And let me check ABC. So A intersection B intersection C also. Intersection C also 5. So here A, B and C are also mutually exclusive. Let me check B, C and D. So in B, C and D, again no common element. So this way we can find out, children. So children, hope it is understood to you. Now here second one. See. Which are simple events? Simple event means those events, those are containing only one element in a set. So here which events are there? So event A and B. So which events are simple events? A and B. So here we have to write events A and C are simple events. Now next is which are compound events. Compound event means those events which contains at least two. More than two are there, then accepted, but minimum two elements should be there. So which are they? So event B and D. So events B and D are compound events. So children, hope this solution understood to you.